beauty of the X10 is it doesn't just passively move your knee where you're not thinking about it, but you're in that machine, you're actively engaging your muscles, you're firing your neuromuscular system, it improves your vascularity, decreases the risk of a blood clot, and people are getting their motion back faster, they're having less pain, it's easier on the family members that are there helping take care of them.
And getting that knee motion faster, which we can do with the X10, getting the swelling out faster, which we can do with the X10, on top of the more frequent therapy, what we're seeing is significantly shortening what that painful window is.
One of the interesting things that I found with the X10 is my patients were coming in and requiring less pain meds after a couple uses of the machine.
Whatever we're able to do on the front end is only going to complement what they have to do after surgery. And so the ability to use the X10 is so important with total knee arthroplasty because it will help stabilize the knee. It will give the patient confidence to be able to go up and down stairs, to take long walks, to go on unlevel terrain.
The patient are very satisfied and very happy with the outcome. If they are happy, I am happy.
Strength is always a problem, especially after, for any knee surgery, there is a natural inhibition by the body that the nerves shut off to the quadriceps muscle. The X10 has really helped the patients improve their strength much quicker than a traditional knee replacement patient would. It's been really exciting, to restore normal motion, you have to have normal quad strength. And to restore normal walking mechanics, you have to have normal quad strength. The faster people are able to rebuild their quad strength, the happier they're going to be. So it's been a really nice addition, as I said, to the practice.
How do they get back to their active lifestyle, the things they want to do quicker? We're using new technology for knee rehab called the X10. It's been fantastic. We've had several patients use the X10, and by doing so, it actually reduces the amount of pain, swelling, allows patients to regain their range of motion much quicker than they were able to before or without the device. And it prevents problems down the road where the knee can become stiff and not move. And patients have done tremendous with it.